Today, we will go over the short sound of the letter U. The short sound of the letter U makes the sound. This is the word up. The word up uses the short U sound. Up. This is the word umbrella. The word umbrella uses the short U sound. Umbrella. This is the word under. The word under also uses the short U sound. Under. This is the word jump. The word jump uses the short U sound. Jump. This is the word cup. The word cup uses the short U sound. Cup. This is the word bug. The word bug uses the short U sound. Bug. This is the word bus. The word bus also uses the short U sound. Bus. This is the word truck. The word truck is another word that uses the short U sound. Truck. This is the word sun. The word sun uses the short U sound. Sun. This is the word uncle. The word uncle also uses the short U sound. Uncle. This is the word fun. The word fun is another word that uses the short U sound. Fun. This is the word run. The word run also uses the short U sound. Run. These are just a few words that use the short sound of the letter U. I'm pretty sure you can think of some more.